Subscribe to the Four Horsemen Trading YouTube channel and hit notification to not miss any new content. We also have our FHT newsletter where we email our weekly watch list out for free. For the most active traders, check out the FHT Discord where we have live trading, alerting intraday setups all day long. Welcome to the Four Horsemen Trading Technique series. This is where we discuss different trading techniques for the active trader, specifically day trading setups. So right now we have in front of us WISH, W-I-S-H, and the 5-minute chart. On WISH here, we're looking at a VWAP setup. First off, we have a VWAP retest and a VWAP volume break. Okay, so we're going to go through those, and then we're going to walk you guys through the rate of change confirmation that we also had using this setup. So you can see first thing in the morning we had a nice run up here, and then correction back down under the VWAP, which is the purple line. At first we made a higher low, which is a nice bullish sign, holding trend, holding the trend line, holding an uptrend. And then we had this interesting little breakdown here, right here, where you saw that there was a nice bullish reversal candle, but it happened underneath the trend line, okay? And this is what people refer to as a fake out. In this case, it's a short fake out. What happened was shorts thought on this break of trend line we were going to see more downtrend this way, but instead shorts started to cover and then buyers came in, bringing the price back up through VWAP with volume, as you can see down here. So that's a VWAP volume break, and that indicates a potential move up forward, potential move higher. What we wanted to see on this play was the breakout and then a confirmation of support. And we saw that right here at VWAP. We had a confirmation of support, two candlesticks, and then a nice engulfing candle, which means this candle here engulfed the previous one. And we had that with really nice volume, as you can see down here. So all of this gave us a really nice move combined with the high of day for our range. So, you know, when we're trading, we look for potential price ranges for, to see what traders will potentially take the price to. And that can go short or long, depending on your bias. And for this, we had a long bias. We had the high of day up here around 1470, 1450. So it was a decent range for us, 50-cent range. Yeah. And next, we're going to talk about the rate of change and how we use that indicator to confirm this setup as well. Thanks. Okay, hey everyone. So now I'm showing you the rate of change chart, 5-minute and 15-minute, which helped us confirm the breakout on the price chart that we just saw earlier. How we use rate of change is by looking for the higher highs on the Rock 2 and then correlating that with the Rock 3 by drawing a trend line. You can see we have a yellow trend line coming down, and then we have the green line break above the trend line, which is basically a buy signal. So we entered with a starter position right around 14 when we saw the breakout above 0. Again, when breakouts happen above 0 on the rate of change, that's considered a stronger break. Okay, so the 5-minute showed breakout, and what we want to do then is look at the 15-minute chart over here and see if we're having a breakout on the 15. And if we are, which we did, that's considered a stronger breakout with potential for continued strength. So we had the breakout here, almost the same exact time as the breakout on the 5-minute, which again gave us our first entry. As you can see, we had a pullback right here, bringing us back down under 0, while at the same time on the price chart we continued to hold support. So we pulled back to 0 on the rate of change, but on the price chart we held support. That is a bullish signal, and also a sign for a re-entry or adding to our position. So we went ahead, we added to our position here, and we did that again because we had a pullback to 0, but at the same time the 15-minute chart continued to go higher. So we were correct on this. We had a bullish engulfing candle with a very good volume and a nice range, which is right around here, a nice price range at the high of day. Remember, high of day. And we got it. We hit it. It boomed all the way up to our high of day. And so that was our sell point, our price target. And it turned out to be a pretty good, 50, 75 cent trade. And I love playing rate of change as an extra confirmation indicator on these types of setups. So thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe and make sure to hit notifications. If you want to, you can join us in our live trading in our Discord. Check out the links in the description. Thanks.